Good evening, everyone. My name is Nazif Usman. You are welcome to Smartphone Graphic Design Training. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Canva app properly. Okay. So, the first thing that you have to do after you must have downloaded the Canva app from your Play Store, you must have signed off before you'll be able to see this interface. Okay. You are going to make use of your email address to sign off with the Canva app. So after you have done that, once you enter the app, it will show you something like this. So this is the interface of Canva. Okay. So for the purpose of today tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use some Canva tools. I'm going to show you the pace. I'm going to show you the overview of this first interface and how you can navigate with some Canva tools and how you can generate an idea and how to start designing from scratch. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you now is this search thing that you are seeing up here. Like, you are going to use it to search anything you want. You are going to search any kind of anything you want from Canva. You can search for flyer, banner, whatever you search, it will give you. Okay, and this thing that you are seeing now is for you. This is what all the Canva apps suggested for you. Okay, Canva has suggested some template for you. All these things that you are seeing now, are template that Canva has suggested for you. Okay, but the reason why Canva suggested this template for you, and the reason why I'm going to show you all these templates, is for you to be able to explore some of these templates to learn about the color combination. Okay, so you can make use of this template to generate an idea, to learn about the color combination from all the design in this template. So as a beginner, you can just make use of any of this template and edit it. So in our subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to edit something with a template. Okay, and this thing that I see now is for you. You can create a whiteboard video, as you can see now. This one is social media presentation. You can even make a presentation with this app, and you can create a videos, as you can see, marketing and more. Okay, so this, if you click on this more, you'll see a lot of things that Canva have suggested for you. Okay, so this is not what you are here for. So what I'm going to show you now is, once you are into this interface, if you click on this project, it will show you all the work that you have done with your Canva app. It will show you. Okay, it will show you your recent work that you did with your Canva. You will all see them here if you click on this project. Okay, so, and if you click on this project, you are going to see all the work that you did with your Canva app. And this Canva project you are seeing now, like, if you want to subscribe for the Canva, because they are going to limit you to some resources and some icons that can only be used for those that subscribe. So you can start by 14-day free trial. After you start by 14-day free trial, then you can go ahead and make your payments. They will tell you the amount that you are going to pay monthly for you to be able to be a Canva Pro user. Okay, and if you click on this menu, it will take you to your account. As you can see now, Nazif Usman, this is my account with Canva that I have signed up with them. Okay, and as you can see now, there is a lot of template, project, brand, content planner, discover apps, smartphone mockup, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there are many. If you click on this template, you are going to see a lot of templates in this app. So you have to exercise patience. You know, sometimes Canva is too load before you'll be able to see something. So these are all the templates that Canva has suggested for me. So you can look at this template to be able to follow and generate an ideas and know about the color combination and the appropriate font that you have to use for your design. Okay, So let me go back. Let me click on this follow sign again. Okay, sorry, I'm ready to come to this place. So if you click on this main menu, you will see a lot of things like this: brand, content planner, discover apps, smartphone mockup, create theme. You can even create theme with this app. Okay, so the main purpose of this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to leverage some Canva app. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use some Canva tools here. Sorry, I'm going to show you how to use some Canvas tool. So that is the main important of this video. So without wasting most of times, let us quickly get into business. I'm going to show you some of the most important tools that you can leverage on with this app. So for you to start designing from scratch, you will click on this plus sign that you are seeing. Okay, so after you click on this plus sign here, it will take you to this space. So as you can see now, there are different things that you can do. Every design has a different size. The size of a flyer differ from the size of a banner. As you can see, the size of the animated social media differ from the size of Instagram post. So everyone has its own size. Okay, so it's time for you to decide which one you are going to use. But if you are going to design from scratch, what we'll do now is you'll just click on this custom size to go and put the size of your choice. Okay, so if you click on this custom size, let's say I want to design like a flyer. So as you can see now, these are some of the recent size that I did. Okay, so you can just, let me just write this 320 with 320. Okay, then after you write your size, then you'll just click on create new design like this. So we are going to start designing from scratch here, but I'm just going to show you some of the Canva tools that you can leverage on. Okay, that will help you do your subsequent assignment, and maybe later on I will show you how to edit some design with this Canva app. Okay, so this is not what I'm supposed to be. So if you just let me click on this create first. So as you can see now, it will take you to this place here. You see, there is a lot of things. You see, template, element. If you click on element, it's going to show you the shape that we are going to use for this. Okay, as you can see, there are many. So let's say I want to choose a shape here. So let's click on this element. So after I click on this element, let me choose this shape. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let me choose it. So you see, I take out this shape. So you can place this somewhere around here and use your hand to increase the size of it to cover every part of your background. Okay, every part of your Canva. So what you can do now is you can click on this color here to change the color of this thing. You can change the color to this color. As you can see now, there are many colors, so you can change it to any color of your choice. So let me change it to this color. Okay, so and you can click on this edit to edit it. You can click on this. If you click on this shape, it will take you to the shape. As you can see now, the shape inside the app. Then you can choose any shape and place it depending on what you want to design on. Okay, and if you click on this style, like maybe if you take something. So let me show you some of the most important icon of here. Okay, let me show you their uses. So these three dots that are seeing up here, if you click on it, as you can see now, you can click on this create new design to create a new design, and you can click on this scrolling view. So let me click on this scrolling view and show you something. So if you click on it, it will show you something like this. Okay, it will show you something like this, so I don't need it. Thumbnail view. You see, if you click on scroll view, you can be able to scroll it like this. Okay, you can be able to scroll it like this. Well, if you click on this like this grid view, so it will appear to you like this up here. That's how it is. Okay, and if you click on this, let me click on this thumbnail view and show you how it will. So you see, this is how it will look for you. You will be able to scroll it. Sorry, unless you click on the first space and you click on the second one. That's it. And if you click on this scrolling view, that is how you'll be able to scroll it, as you can see now, the way you want it. So, and this drop down icon that you are seeing now is if you want to, like, if you made your design and you want to download it, once you click on it, then it will save your work. As you can see now, save as image. You see, preparing your design and make the magic happen. So let me just cancel it. I'm not going to save anything here. And if you click on this one up here, it will show you whether to download your design or to share your link, and so on and so forth. Okay, so, and if you click on this plus sign, you can make use of this plus sign to do a lot of things with it. You can click on it to search for line, frame, arrow, circle, square. Okay, and let's say I want to, and you can even click on it to take something from a gallery. So if you click on this gallery, you are going to take photo from a gallery and place it, okay, on top of your design. So let me go and take one photo from my phone gallery. Let me click on images. So you see, I'm inside my images now. So let me click on this download. There's one photo that I have in the background. So my battery is getting low. So let's say I want to use this photo. I'll just click on add. Wait. So you see, I import this photo from my phone gallery and I place it here. So that is how we are going to do, and I can try to resize it like this. Okay, don't worry about all this. And if you want to write something here, let me delete this one. You click on this plus sign here. Okay, then you click on this text. After you click on this text, then you can add a heading, and you can click. Let me just click on this one, add a heading, and show you. You see, so once you take this one out, you can click on this edit to write anything of your choice. Okay, so let me just write Canva App. You see, then you will be able to resize it. You'll be able to reduce its size or reduce its size. So you can do it, write anything you want in this app. And let me click on this one. If I click on this add, you see, I take this one too, and you can click on edit to write anything of your choice. Let me write something. For example, you see, and if you want to change the font, you can click on this guy here to change the font. As you can see now, the font are many, so you can change any one of your choice here. So as simple as that. That is how you are going to write something with this app. Okay, and you can click on this font size to, you can click on this font size to increase or reduce the size of the font, and you can click on this color here to color. Make sure you must have clicked on the right thing that you want to color. Then you click on this color here to color it. So let's see how I color it this color. You see, can color it any color of your choice, as simple as that. And this B format that you are seeing now, like if you want to, either you want to bold your writing, italize it, so this one has already been bold, okay, or you want to underline it, you can click on this guy to underline it, as you can see. And if you want to maybe place it a center, click on this one. If you want to place it to a left hand side, click on this one. Okay, you can align your writing the way you want it by clicking these things that you are seeing. Okay, so and you can click on this spacing. If you click on this spacing, if you click on the line spacing, you are going to give a space between this your alphabet. Okay, if you click on letter spacing, sorry. And if you click on line spacing, let's say you have two things written on it, so that is when you are going to make use of line spacing. Don't worry, once we start the practical, you guys are going to know a lot about it. And you can click on this effect, like add some effect here. And if you click on this shape and you want to like curve your writing, once you click on it, as you can see now, I curve it. So this is what you can do. And you can click on this animation, like if you want to design to be in form of video, okay, you can click it like this. And also click on it, it will play like a video, as you can see. And it will show you a video play icon of the that you can use to play it, as you can see now, you see. And you can save it like this if you want. So I don't want this one at all. Okay, I don't like it. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this, all these icons that you are seeing now, that's their own important. And if you click on this transparency, you are going to reduce the transparency like this. And if you click on this position, you can either take it to back or forward. You see, left, top, center, middle, right, bottom, backward, left, middle. And let me take it forward so that for me to be able to see it, you see. So that's it. And you can click on this, and if you want to lock it, you can click on this lock sign to lock it. You will not be able to move it after you lock it. Okay, and you can click on it or lock it like this. And you can click, if you click on this move, there's a lot of things. Once we start the practical, you guys are going to know more better. So this is just an introduction to the Canva interface and some of the Canva tools that you'll be able to elaborate on. Okay, so when we start practical, you guys are going to learn a lot in your subsequent assignment. So that's all for today lecture. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.